Polymorphism means the maniform. We have already discussed about the class and object concept and the inheritance concept. Inside the class, there is a fields and the methods. And we can access the fields and methods from the base class into the derived class using the concept of inheritance. And there is the methods, and there is some syntax of that method. And there is some tasks to do inside the methods. And if we inherit that method into the another class, and if we define that syntax, or you can say the tasks of that method by ourselves, then it is known as the polymorphisms. It means that there is a one methods in the base class, and we can inherit that methods into the different derived class, and we can define that methods by ourselves. Then it is known as the concept of the polymorphisms. And this is, you can also say, we have to study about the concept of the method overriding and the method overloading. And the method overriding and the method overloading is the concept of the polymorphism. So let's take an example. Let's see the example, and we will understand about the detail about it. So let's create one class, CLSS class, my class. Okay. Inside the my class, there is one method, public void. You can say the happy birthday, HAPP happy birthday. So if this is my method, and inside the happy birthday, I can give here the message as just HAPP happy birthday. And if I create the another class main class, and if I want to inherit the properties from the my class, then I have to write here the my class. And inside the my class, I can just copy this code, copy this method from here, Control C and the Control B. And if I change the message here, it means that I'm copying same methods from the base class, that is the my class, into the main class, that is the derived class. And I'm just going to modify this happy birthday method. I'm not going to change the signature of this method, but I'm just gonna change the message. So happy birthday Vikas. And I just wanna create the main function also here, static void main. And then inside this static void main, I can create the object of the main class. So see carefully here. Just I'm gonna create the object of the main class, but reference variables from the my class. So just my class, this is my base class, and this is the reference variable is equals to new, and I can write here the main class. Okay, this is new. My new main class is the object of the derived class, and this here is the my class yam. It means that m is the reference variable, and it is to point, or you can say the reference to the object of the derived class. So just type the m dot access the our method name happy birthday, and if I run this code, what will happen? What will be the output? So can you guess the output of this code? If I press the Control F5 or simple run button, now our code is running. It will show the happy birthday only. Why only happy birthday? Why not the happy birthday Vikas? Because you have to know about the one concept here. If you are working with the concept of polymorphisms, or you can say the method overriding, then we must have to put the virtual keyword inside the void. So in base class, we have to use the virtual keyword in the method, and in derived class, we have to use the override keyword. So in the derived class. So in this way, we can make the override concepts of the method. And there is another concept, that is method overloading also, and we'll discuss it about later. Method overriding, and I will discuss one video and that video will be the differences between the method overriding and the method overloading. And actually this method overriding and this overloading is the concepts of the polymorphisms. So it means that happy birthday is one method, and we can derive this happy birthday into the many other classes, and we can define it by ourselves. So we can modify these methods by ourselves according to our requirements. And actually this method overriding, or whatever be the method overriding and method overloading, this is the concept of the polymorphisms. And if I again run this code by pressing the Control F5 or simply the run button, our code is running, and now you can see the output as happy birthday Vikas. Why happy birthday Vikas? Because we are creating the object of this main class, and we are accessing this m.happybirthday, and we are accessing, or you can say the overriding that method. We are accessing that method, but we are overriding. It means that we are changing or we are modification of that method into the happy birthday into a happy birthday Vikas. Likewise, we can create the other class also. Like if I want to create the another class, we can create the thousands of class. according to our requirement, and we can access the same method. We can modify the methods using the override and the virtual keyword. So if I create another class like class hello class, and inside this class I can just copy this code from here, Control C and then Control V, and I'm just gonna change this. I'm just gonna change the here the concept of Vikas into Orvin or whatever be the message, and in hello world I can just skip the colon. I have to inherit the properties from the my class here also, and I'm just gonna do this. And to access this object of this my class, object of this hello class, we have to again create the object of the hello class. So my class, this is the main class, m1 is my reference variable, and new and hello class. And if I want to access the object, or you can say the methods from the hello class, then again we have to use the reference variable m1 dot, the method name is happy birthday. And if I try to run this code by pressing the Control F5, then this our code is running, and you can see the output as happy birthday Vikas and the happy birthday Arvind. So in this way you can use the concept of the inheritance, concept of the polymorphisms, and also the concept of the method overriding. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. So if you hope you will find this video helpful, please, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.